Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fani Muhammad Abdul Raja. The purpose of my presentation is PHP. We will learn what is PHP, syntax PHP, PHP function, data type PHP, PHP file extension, why use PHP, what is PHP used for, and market share, writing PHP code, and conclusion. Then what is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to develop static website or dynamic website or web application. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor that earlier stood for personal homepage. PHP is a generic programming language which means PHP can be embedded into HTML code, or it can be used in combination with various web system templates, web content management system, and web framework. Syntax PHP. Syntax PHP is writing rules so that the compiler can understand it correctly when reading a programming language. For example, we have opening this and this a body, and this and 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 from the above program code will output hello world. Different with HTML. HTML not use opening and ending like this, and the HTML can like PHP, like write echo hello world like this. PHP function in making a website. Actually, using HTML and CSS alone can become a website, but the website that is created is static. Now, by using some of the function in PHP, the website can be dynamic. The functions that exist in PHP are usually called CRUD. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. Create is a function used to create new data on a website. For example, we create a Facebook like that. For read is a function that is used to read or display data in the database. Then it will be displayed according to the user request. For example, we see my Facebook friend gitu, like see profile, nah, state read, state read. For update is a function to edit data from within the database. For example, we change a password, change number, change profile. Then for delete is a function used to delete the database. For example, we delete account Facebook, account Instagram, nah, like that. Data type PHP. Several types of data that we can use in PHP programming include one integer, a data type in the form of numbers such as integer or natural number. For example, integer used for form a form number can use the type integer. Float or double, a data type that contains a decimal number. Float or double can use for score school. String data type in the form of the text. This used for address, for name. We can use string. Boolean, a data type that only has two values, namely true and false, or 0 and 1. Array data type test function to store a lot of content in a variable. Apart from the data type, there are also object, null, resource, callbacks. Then PHP file extension. File extension and take in order for the server to identify our PHP files and script. We must save the file with the .php extension. Other PHP file extension include PHP, HTML, PHP3, PHP4, PHP5, and PHPS. PHP was designed to work with HTML, and as such, it can be embedded into the HTML, but the HTML can cannot embed into PHP. But HTML, yes, cannot embed with PHP. For example, no. Why use PHP? There are many programming languages out there, but why do many websites use PHP as their main programming language? Based on a survey conducted by w3tech.com, w3tech.com, 79% of websites in the world use PHP. Like this, PHP 79%, ASP.NET just 10.7%. That's why we use PHP, because many people use PHP. Why use PHP continues? Below are some of the compelling reasons. 1. PHP is open source and free. We can use PHP free gitu. No, don't do short learning curve compared to other languages such as JSP, PHP, etc. 3. Large community document. 4. PHP is regular update to keep abreast with the latest technology trend. 5. Other benefit that you get with PHP is that it's a server-side scripting language. This means you only need to install it on the server and client computer. Requesting for resource from the server don't need to have PHP installed. Only a web browser would be enough. PHP versus ASP.NET versus JSP versus CFML. The table below compares the various server-side scripting language with PHP. You can see the table. You can pause the video for see the table. Yeah. Next, what is PHP used for and market share? In terms of market share, there are over 20 20 million websites and applications on the internet developed using PHP scripting language. This, for example, social sites like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter, blogs and GMS, WordPress, Joomla, e-commerce, example for Shopee, Lazada, Tokopedia, and other Gmail and Wikipedia. Writing PHP code. There are two ways we can do when writing PHP code to build a dynamic web application, namely PHP native and framework. PHP native. This is a method of writing PHP programming language code that really starts from scratch or can be started from zero. Here, a programmer creates his own framework for developing dynamic websites. Usually, beginners who are just learning PHP are advised to learn PHP native. The advantage of PHP native is one programming that is built on the basis of the programmer own thinking. It can be formed in object-oriented programming or structural format, depending on the programmer ability. We can apply on a scale from easy to difficult depending on the difficulty level of the programming language used. Framework PHP. To simplify the development of web application with PHP, we can use the PHP framework. There are several advantages that we can get when we decide to create a website using a framework, including one, developing web application can be faster because we can get the other template. We can see no yeah, get template. Web application with a framework are in effect more stable, helping beginner to create application because we get the template in other people, not from zero. Then no need to repeat coding. Yes, there are several PHP frameworks that are quite popular and are widely used by developers, namely Coordinator, Laravel, Symfony, Zen Framework, Kick, PHP, and Sigurna. We can get the template from this developer. Next conclusion. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to develop static website or dynamic website or web application like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter. Then the functions that exist in PHP are usually called CRUD, stand for create, read, update, and delete. Based on a survey conducted by w3touch.com, 79% of websites in the world use PHP. PHP is open source and free. Writing PHP code, namely PHP native and framework. Thank you. Thank you for watching. My name is Pani Muhammad Abdul Rajab. Stay humble.